We're working on 33311. So that to really for the experience of the people was how easy. How easy is to study a market when you know what to look for. That's the important part. And that's the key. I mean, the key is to do it and do it and do it. I have 49 objections.
Yeah, 49. What?
Objections that all your customers are going to ask you. The funny thing that's while I read them, I know they ask me this to me. So this is very real, and you need to have an answer. You need to have an answer for some questions so you know the way you're doing it. See, wait for Anadan or Ryan, and then we start. Danny. Like for example, Moses, what do you think is your next step? And we mentioned next step as like something small they're going to do next to keep it. It's not your next step. Cannot tell me I'm going to buy a multifamily. That's a big step. What do you think is stopping you to sell one, to buy one, or you didn't even try?
Being able to like get a property and have the numbers and be able to analyze the entire property off of just those numbers. I want to be able to do that like without having to even think about it. I just like I sit and I get the numbers and I'm able to just run it through and then tell you if it's something I would do or something I wouldn't do. That's my next step.
Okay, I tell you how I did that. It's very easy. You need to analyze 3 deals, real deals per day, and that's it. After
3
a
deals per
month,
day?
you analyze 100, you know how to do it. But it has to be real deals. So you know what happened after if you bought it, you didn't buy it.
Okay.
That's what we're doing with the group, analyzing always in. Well, that's why we change these Thursday meetings to people more real, more invested in, because we're going to do it slower, but it's all about you guys. You need to learn how to. I mean, you want to learn that? Okay, I give you an. You have to explain the calculator to me. Like we analyze this property, is still out there to buy. You live more up north or more south?
I live in Kendall.
Okay, that's pretty south. There was a house that we analyzed the other day that it was a very good deal to buy, that somebody want to purchase something. Because definitely what you guys need to know how to handle today is alternative financing. Because there is no I cannot buy the right property. Is I don't know how to buy the right property. To find the right property is just numbers. Like you're saying, and you're totally correct. I will start always analyzing numbers. I'm amazed when I talk to many investors, realtors, they don't know how to analyze numbers and they're trying to sell commercial real estate. This is not the regular residential house that you just listed and you sell it. You need to know what you're doing. People that buy this buy it to make money. Yeah, totally unfair that you sell it to somebody that is not going to cash flow. So I mean, I don't know how they sell it. I know how they sell it. They tell you put more down payment, then you have less loan and you make money. That's ridiculous. That is not the best use of your money. So she say, I don't know. Samar says she cannot make it. We're missing Samar. Adams is on my way back. Ryan, I don't know where he is. I'm going to kill it. Manulani, I'm going to kill Manulani too. Ay, 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 ay. Yeah. Let me, since you're here, Moses, and you're the most devoted one, I'm going to share. Did I share you the one house calculator?
The one you sent on WhatsApp?
Yeah, did I send it to you?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, that's
The one, the 3-bedroom, 2-bath, or the
yeah.
Alijo.
Let me open it. Hasta agosto. This one. Yeah, that's not the calculator. Multifamily. Roosevelt Hollywood has to be this one. Nope. Some fourplex. Not this one. It's my calculator. This one. Ooh, so this one. Satu Isabel. And then this share. So Moses, that's the calculator. That's for one house. So now you're explaining it to me. Sell me this house.
Okay. Well, let me pull it up on her.
No. You have to read from me, from here. Not even from you. Hold on, let me make it a bit bigger. Maybe I can see it.
So the aftermarket 460,000.
Okay, but no, you're selling it to me. So first, yes, we're going to put the property address. I don't know. I know it was in 317. Doesn't matter. That's important. Read the line.
33317.
No. The second line. Already have the property address. You got it.
Second line, one. Project months.
What it says, project months. What it means that?
I would guess that it means like
Too long to guess. I mean, we don't guess. Aaron, what it means that? What goes in that line?
I guess, I mean, it depends what you're doing with it, but 1 month looks like you're just doing a flip. You're just gonna.
No. I said like project months. He didn't know what project months, what number that goes
how many
in there.
months? How many months it takes for them to rehab to renovate?
Exactly. That's what it goes there. Hey,
Mm.
so usually we're going to be real. The minimum retouching is 3 months. There is no wholesale in less than 3 months. Oh, sorry. There is when you wholesaling. But you don't resell a house in less than 3 months because a loan takes 45 days. Keep going, Moses. What it says there? Line
Aftermarket.
Huh?
After renovation.
Okay. That's the market value. Then purchase price. What can we say about the purchase price compared to the RV value? Okay, and this is not RV value. In this property we're analyzing, that's as is value. We don't need to put $1 in this property, which that might happen.
I say rehab budget is 2,000.
Yeah. There you need to explain what type of budget you need to know. You need to know the rehab. This property has zero rehab. Closing costs. How much are the closing costs for a purchase? Estimate. You two should know. Anna, you are his advisor. When he's too slow, you need to say it. How percentage is, what is the percentage you should allocate when you are starting for closing costs when you're purchasing?
At least 2%, 2.5%.
At least.
2% of the purchase
I
price.
would say right now we had to go 3%. I always keep 2.5% to be happy because you're a percent investor, but that's the minimum you're going to pay as closing costs. And remember, you're not including the loan there. The cost of the loan is separate because you know any loan is 2.2 points. So just the loan is already 2% cost. So it's only docs and blah, blah, blah. Acquisition fee. What is acquisition fee?
For the underwriters?
No, sir. For the person that brings you the deal, he's going to charge a commission.
That the person that put the deal together?
Huh? That's the person that brings you the deal. The wholesaler, he's going to charge a commission. You know, put inside the price, but he's going to charge you. Usually, small deals like this one, 4%, they charge you 20,000. Oops, I didn't do the math. Equal 4% times. Yes, that was correct. Yeah, 3 to 4%. The big makes big dealer
2 to 4%.
The wholesalers should charge you at least $12,000. Charge more, they're charging too much.